We have with us today actor, producer, director Amol Gupte ji, who is also the honorary member of Rotary Club of Bombay West. And we have our district governor, most dynamic Praful Sharma. And we are here to inaugurate this particular awareness campaign at wellness stores, which have about 90 in Mumbai. And they will be exhibiting this candy here and distributing the frequent asked questions to all the customers who come there. So over to you, Amol ji and Praful ji, you please inaugurate. Yes, sir.
आगे मत जाओ, आगे मत जाओ,
आगे नहीं जाना।
सर जरा टर्न कीजिए यहाँ पे। यस।
So some golden words from Praful ji.
Morning and namaskar friends. Thank you President Harminder and friends here and members of Rotary Club of Bombay West. We are on the fag end of our Rotary year, that is our Rotary starts every year on 1st July and ends on the 30th of consecutive year. So today is the second last day of my tenure as the District Governor of District 3141 and the second last day of President Harminder Singh Tapeja for the President of Rotary Club of Bombay West and for Shepali as the Club Secretary. But it's so nice to be here that last day also, so good to see that Rotarians are active till the end of their Rotary year. Congratulations to President Harminder, members of Rotary Club of Bombay West, and of course especially to Amolji who came here. Well, we have an installation ceremony, you can name it as the old ceremony. When Harminderji became a president, that day also Amol was there, and I'm happy that he is here today also. Congratulations to you all and thank you for joining us. And I'm especially thankful on behalf of Rotary to management of wellness, sir. Thank you very much for giving the opportunity to spreading the message of organ donation. And as Rotary is committed to community service, this is our pet project of the state and special project connected very closely heart to heart to President Harminder. My best wishes to him and the Rotary Club of Bombay West. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Praful ji. And before our Amol Gupte ji, who is honorary member of Rotary Club Bombay West, speaks, I would like to declare that he has confirmed this morning that he is going to be the ambassador for this campaign. Thank you very much, Amol ji. It's your great large-heartedness and your devotion to the community that will help us to take this awareness campaign forward. Over to you.
Sir, what can I say? This is frankly one of the best initiatives in a country which has 1.5 million people, and there are so many unfortunate human beings who can get that hand, which is the organ donation of the corneas as well as the skin, and it will always be in short supply, but the push that Rotary is giving to this campaign, I'm doubly sure that it will fill up that lacuna and we will have more eyes, more skin for people who are looking for that one ray of hope in life.
Thank you, Amol ji. Ajit ji, who is the chief of the marketing of wellness, would like to speak something?
I'm very thankful to the Bombay West chapter of Rotary Club for giving us this opportunity. It's a very noble cause that we are supporting. The whole idea is that we understand that lots of people who are genuinely, morally motivated to do something to the society, give it to back, but they find a problem that they are not able to get the right information, they don't know where to go, what to do. So we are just trying to simplify the process. As a part of Wellness Forever, we will try to make and bring wellness across to every person on earth. So we are trying across that people who come here, they understand the process. People can register, pledge at the store. You simply have to just come here, fill up a form, and everything will be taken care of by the Rotary team out here in terms of getting back to you, ensuring they explain the process. So we are just trying to simplify the process. We are very happy, proud to be part of this very noble cause. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving us this opportunity. And we look forward that we bring about a great change today. So starting with a small pilot of 20 stores, we have got around 130 stores, and soon we believe that we can take it across whole Maharashtra and make it a big change. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
today, which is the 29th of June 2018, happens to be a very penultimate important day for my friend Harminder, who is the president of Juhu Rotary West. And I've understood through Rotarians that if you put that one foot forward, then you will start complaining that there's nothing is happening in our nation. So Rotary Club and Rotarians have always been a call sign for, looking after the social needs. And here we're talking about medical needs of a nation so vast. And I congratulate Harminder because this initiative of At Your Door Doctor, in order to for organ donations, which will keep that trend alive through wellness, because wellness is a partner here, and they've put it out there that it is as simple as just notifying for everything else to take place. Once you know that the skin and the cornea and organs of the deceased can bring life to other human beings who are so much in need of, we are a poor nation. We don't have the wherewithal in terms of our population to, get sight for the blind. And here, when Harminder was telling me that when one cornea, single cornea extracted, can give sight to 6 people who are sightless, I think it's something for the entire nation to understand that it is as simple as that. And through that donation from the deceased will keep the deceased alive for years to come. So imagine that your kith and kin who have passed on to a different world still stay behind with you, and that would be the big thing. And everybody must have seen the Ship of Theseus, and imagine so many people coming to life because of just one, it's like how when Neil Armstrong put his foot on the moon and it says 1 foot on the moon, and a big leap from humanity. This is, I think, that kind of a allegory or that kind of a metaphor.
And so many talents. He is joining us in this great campaign which goes all over Mumbai. Rotary Club of Bombay West is very passionate about this project because it affects many people. And instead of just burning a body, and if at the last moment before you go away, if you're able to donate your eyes and the skin, it can really be a great cause for humanity instead of just burning a body and going away. So this is what we are passionate about, the Rotary Club Bombay West and the entire district. And many Rotary clubs in Mumbai are taking up this cause. And I'm very thankful again to Amol Gupta ji for being an ambassador with us for this entire campaign. Thank you very much, Amol.
Thanks.
And he'll continue to be with us for the next many years that this campaign goes on, to just make people aware that there's a 6-hour window when there is a death in the family. Only things you have to remember in your grief and in that sad moment to call the numbers that we shall provide to you on a fridge magnet and a certificate to remind your family that yes, the deceased had committed to be useful to the humanity at large, to donate before leaving and going away from here. Thank you.
सर वेलनेस फॉरएवर ही क्यों चूज किया आपने, अगर इसकी बात करें तो क्या
एक तो था कि देयर इज़ लॉट ऑफ फुटफॉल, बहुत लोग आते हैं मेडिसिन लेने के लिए, और जो उनके घर में बीमार होता है उसको थोड़ा फीलिंग भी होता है कि देयर इज़ समथिंग कुड हैपन. सो इस लास्ट मोमेंट पे अगर याद आ जाए, क्योंकि ज़्यादा करके दुख में आदमी को याद नहीं रहता है कि और किसी का ध्यान रखना वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो इसके लिए हमने कहा, और इट वाज गुड कि इनके जो डायरेक्टर हैं, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर हैं मिस्टर गुशल बख्तियानी, वो मेरे अच्छे दोस्त थे, तो उससे भी बहुत अच्छा मतलब सपोर्ट मिल गया मेरे को. एंड ही रेडीली एग्रीड कि भाई ही विल हेल्प अस इन दिस अवेयरनेस कैंपेन. थैंक यू सो मच.
जो कोलाबा से पालघर तक और CST से मुलुंड तक फैले हुए हैं, उन सारे 90 क्लब्स ने अंगदान के ऊपर ऑर्गन डोनेशन पे पूरे साल काम किया, अवेयरनेस के लिए खास तौर पे। और जैसा कि आप लोगों को पता, कई लोगों को पता होगा कि आई डोनेशन का बहुत बड़ा मुहिम हम सब लोग चलाते हैं। और सबसे ज़्यादा आवश्यकता जो हमें जानकर बड़ा दुख होता है कि कई लोग विशेष तौर के अंग न पाने की वजह से अपनी जीवन लीला समाप्त कर जाते हैं। उनके बचाव के लिए अंगदान बहुत ज़रूरी है, स्पेशली स्किन डोनेशन और आई डोनेशन के साथ पूरा ऑर्गन डोनेशन के लिए हमने मुहिम चलाई। और ये मेरे लिए बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि साल के आखिरी में, रोटरी वर्ष के साल के आखिरी में 2 दिनों के भीतर रोटरी क्लब ऑफ बॉम्बे वेस्ट ये मुहिम चला रही है और वेलनेस फॉर एवर के सौजन्य से हो पा रहा है। और पूरे मुंबई शहर में सारे वेलनेस अवेयरनेस के स्टोर्स पर ये स्टैंडी रहेगी और उसके अवेयरनेस के लिए ये मुहिम चलेगी कि लोगों को अवेयर करा जाए कि अंगदान करें और लोगों में स्प्रेड करें मैसेज के बारे में, ऑर्गन डोनेशन के बारे में। मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ रोटरी क्लब ऑफ बॉम्बे वेस्ट का और रोटरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3141 की ओर से उनको धन्यवाद देता हूँ। और विशेष तौर पर धन्यवाद देता हूँ मैं वेलनेस फॉर एवर के सारे पदाधिकारियों को, जिनके सहयोग से हम पूरे मुंबई शहर के और उपनगरों में विभिन्न इलाकों में ये मुहिम चला पाएंगे। मेरी शुभकामनाएं उन सबको और आप सबको।
Thank you. Definitely, when we spoke to the teams of Rotary Club Bombay West, the first thing which came out is that they are doing such a noble cause, and we found out that from statistics shared with us, saying that today in India approximately 45 lakh people are blind and around 90 lakh people die every year. So even 50% of them in 1 year can donate their corneas. At least the whole India, I can proudly say, nobody is blind out there. So such kind of statistics actually move you, and you start really feeling that you should be part of this great movement. And that was a humble whole idea behind and supporting the Bombay West chapter. जैसे सर ने बोला कि we definitely have a huge base of customers. We have got 130 stores across. Lots of every day we have around 1 lakh people coming to our stores, and it's a very noble, serious kind of a platform where we can connect to them, explain to them that why organ donation, skin donation, and eye donation is something very important need of today. And we are just trying to be a part of them. It's not that it's an association. It's more of a moment that we want to start. We want to be with them. We want to show to them that yes, when we say wellness forever, we believe in wellness forever for each and every person in India. So that is what we are. We are people first company. We ensure that every person should have the whole element of regaining that eyesight or getting those organs, and it's like a rebirth to that person. We definitely want to be that, and we are really proud, thankful to the whole team for giving this opportunity and explaining to us the whole nitty-gritties of how we can help. And whoever is looking at this, we would genuinely request them, please come to our stores, please fill up the forms, please pledge your organs, skins, your eyes, and let's make this India a better place to live. Thank you.
Amol Gupte, the honorary member of Rotary Club of Bombay West, Mr. Naran, Director of Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank, Mr. Kamble, General Manager, Meghna, Assistant General Manager, and the Public Relations Officer from PNC Bank. PNC Bank has got many branches in Mumbai, and they are supporting the cause of Skin Iron Organ Donation Awareness Campaign that Rotary Club of Bombay West is heading in the district of 90 clubs and about 6,000 members. It's a great announcement today also that our honorary member Amol Gupte ji has agreed voluntarily, very happily, to support this entire campaign for making this important subject aware to the people of Mumbai. I would now request our District Governor Praful ji to please speak a few words.
Thank you and namaskar and good afternoon friends. Let me first congratulate Rotary Club of Bombay West for spreading this message of organ donation, and on behalf of District 3141 Rotarians, all the 5,500 Rotarians, I must thank the management of PNC Bank. विभिन्न औजारों में जो यहाँ पर उपस्थित हैं PNC बैंक के सारे अधिकारीगण और डायरेक्टर्स, उनको उनका शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि उन्होंने ये हमें मौका दिया कि उनके बैंक के ब्रांचेस के मार्फत हम लोग ऑर्गन डोनेशन का मैसेज स्प्रेड सब्जेक्ट कर पाएँ। मुझे बताया गया कि मुंबई में 78 ब्रांचेस हैं PNC की। ये मेरे लिए नई बात है, मैं नहीं जानता था कि इतनी ब्रांच, इस ब्रांच में आके अपने आप को लग रहा है कि कितनी बड़ी ब्रांच है, कितनी बड़ी बैंक है। ये देखकर पता चल सकता है, seeing is believing। रोटरी क्लब ऑफ बॉम्बे वेस्ट में शुरुआत की 3 साल से कि ऑर्गन डोनेशन के तौर पर विशेष मुहिम चलाई थी पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, हमारे रोटरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, और उसमें काफ़ी सफलता हासिल की उन्होंने। और ये बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि रोटरी वर्ष समाप्त होने के सिर्फ 1 दिन पहले 2 जगहों पर इन्होंने ऐसे कॉर्पोरेट हाउस के साथ टाई अप किया है कि जहाँ ऑर्गन डोनेशन के अवेयरनेस के लिए स्प्रेड कर सकें मैसेज। बहुत आवश्यकता है ऑर्गन डोनेशन की। जो लोग इस दुनिया से ऊपर जाते हैं, विदा लेते हैं, उनका शरीर जाता है लेकिन आत्मा कहीं रहती है, उसके बारे में विचार नहीं करेंगे, मगर उनका शरीर जो कि अलग अलग पद्धति से अलग अलग धर्मों के मुताबिक उसकी अंतिम क्रिया की जाती है, उनके कुछ अंग हम निकाल कर दूसरे लोगों को दें तो कई जानें बच सकती है। कई लाख लोग कोरोना की वजह से दुनिया नहीं देख पाते हैं, और हम लोगों की मुहिम है कि सारे लोगों तक संदेश पहुँचे कि जहाँ तक हो सके अपने सगे साथियों और अपने विशेष तौर पर घर वालों को ये पहुँचाएँ कि जो जाएँ इस दुनिया को छोड़ के कुछ छोड़ जाएँ, ताकि उनका कुछ अंग एक हिस्सा दुनिया में सदैव रहे। मैं एक बार फिर से बधाई देता हूँ रोटरी क्लब बॉम्बे वेस्ट को, सारे उनके अधिकारीगण को और PNC बैंक के सारे अधिकारियों को जिन्होंने मुहिम में हमारा साथ दिया। धन्यवाद।
Big loud singer for this lovely city where I was born, Mumbai, and through the channels of PNC Bank and Wellness Care, the idea that maximum number of people who have the wrong views about giving the organs or willing the organs should rethink about how they will exit with a little part of them existing still on earth. And to give value to it, I announce that I am, on a personal level, I am offering my eyes, skin and organs. Thank you very much. Excuse me.
Naran sir, you would like to speak?
We have our director here, of course, then joint general manager, chief manager, and the branch staff here. They will definitely help the cost to be done in a nice way. In fact, our bank is a multi-state bank. We are in 7 states, and in Mumbai itself we have more than 70 branches. So we would like to definitely take this cause for the benefit of the mankind. This is a noble cause, and we all support wholeheartedly. Thank you very much.
Well, with this, thank you everyone for being present here, and we close. Thank you.